Hi and welcome to my cooking channel. Today's recipe is tofu and bok choy stir-fried with minced chicken. For this I have 370 grams of bok choy that I washed thoroughly and separated the leaves from the stems. I then cut the leaves into half. These are the separated stems. I next have 3 pieces of firm tofu that I cut into finger shapes. Now let me show you how I did that. First cut the tofu into half. Then cut each half into 3 finger shapes. And that's it. 80 grams of minced chicken breast that I minced at home myself with a cleaver. Now marinating the minced chicken with half a teaspoon of cornflour or cornstarch as some of you know it, a dash of pepper and a drop of light soy sauce. I'm using my fingers to mix them together. 15 grams of fresh ginger julienned. 5 cloves of garlic chopped. 3 red bird's eye chilies. Next is a stir-fry sauce made with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's now mix the sauce and set it aside. I'll start cooking by sauteing the chicken. I just added 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the pan. And now to saute the chicken. I'm going to do this for 3 minutes. Here is the minced chicken after 3 minutes of frying. I'm now going to fry the tofu in 2 tablespoons of oil. The tofu fingers are frying on a medium heat. Let's now turn these tofu fingers onto their flip side for frying. We leave them now to fry on their flip side. The tofu fingers have been frying on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to turn off the flame and remove these tofu fingers and set them aside. Here are the fried tofu fingers. Now let's put everything together. Let's start by frying the garlic on a medium heat. The garlic is fragrant now, so adding the ginger. The whole red bird's eye chilies go in now. You can slit the chilies into 2 if you don't mind a little heat in your dish. And now for the bok choy stems. The bok choy stems go in before the leaves because they take a longer time to cook. Add the stir-fry sauce and then stir to combine it with the rest of the ingredients. Let's add a little bit of water to help the stems cook. The bok choy stems are cooked, so we now add the tofu fingers. Stir to combine. The leaves go in now. And now adding a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder and a wee bit of salt. The dish is coming together beautifully now. Adding a little bit of water so as not to dry out this vegetable dish. We need to only fry the bok choy leaves for about 2 minutes, and then we can remove the dish from the fire. I'm turning the flame off now. Tofu and bok choy stir-fried with minced chicken. A delicious side dish to be had with your white rice at lunch or at dinner. Let's now put the finishing touches on the dish. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.